respected principal, vice principal, coordinator, administrator, faculty members, and all participants from various parts of India. A very good morning and warm greetings to one and all. COVID-19 has affected all systems of human life globally. It has affected normal quality and quantity of life. It's a global crisis disrupting the social and economic system. The outbreak of the coronavirus has caused problems in the functioning of all countries of the world. Health, medicine, education, business, economy, etc. are affected badly. The governments of all countries, institutions, doctors, experts, and educators are working together on the construction of a new path for the future in accordance with the present scenario. We have to change our lifestyle for our survival and also be ready to face the present and future perspective of COVID-19. It has created a havoc in the minds of the entire population that any time, any moment, they can be the victims of corona. Damages have been created to public health. Now we need more focus on public health and healthcare infrastructure. Along with the physical health, mental health of the humanity is also distorted. Governments, NGOs and different groups of people are in forefront in eradicating this pandemic. In the teaching process, online learning system was brought up in a very short period of time. Universities have a great opportunity to prove their credibility in society, that they can serve as sources of knowledge for the society. Coronavirus related disruptions may give teachers time to rethink in the area of education reform. Professors are playing an important role in teaching their courses online and providing international experience at the students' doorsteps, which is commendable. Healthcare workers too have shown not only their capability but also their dedication. We have seen doctors and nurses traveling to other countries and regions to help hospitals and colleagues under pressure. I owe them a great debt of gratitude. At this juncture, I remember the words of William James: act as if what you do makes a difference. Sometimes what we are working on doesn't seem like it matters much, especially when we are doing things for other people. But if you put the sort of effort into everything you do as if it all matters, you will find that it does make a difference. We all want to feel like we are making a difference, and this quote is a reminder that we are making a difference. It just might not be as big as we would like, but over time it can get bigger. I am extremely happy and I would like to appreciate that the faculty of St. Joe College of Nursing Puluvali is going to make a difference through this webinar. I take this opportunity to escalate your hard work behind this attempt. I am confident that your valuable ideas will prove useful to overcome new challenges and define a new dimension in dealing with the situations arising out of COVID-19. As I know that during this webinar, 6 relevant themes will be presented by 12 faculty members. Abdul Kalam says, all of us do not have equal talents, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop your talents. Yes, dear ones, this is an opportunity to express and develop your talents, through which many will be benefited during this panic situation. We must focus on prevention. We must protect the most vulnerable. We must come together in solidarity. I thank all the resource persons for your commitment and for all your efforts to keep people safe from COVID-19. Together, let us overcome this pandemic. Together, let us realize our vision of a COVID-19 free world. And together, let us build a healthier, safer, and fairer world we all want to see. We are united by our commitment to improve citizens' health and support our communities in the continued spirit of solidarity that has become our trademark in this crisis. Florence Nightingale says, "Let us never consider ourselves finished nurses. We must be learning all our lives." Dear nursing professionals, nurse educators, and student nurses, be a learner throughout, and I know that you are in the process of learning. It's my great pleasure to join you today to introduce this webinar on contemporary aspects of nursing care during COVID-19 pandemic. I congratulate, wish success and God's blessings for this webinar. I wish all the participants fruitful and productive days. Hereby, I declare that the webinar series is inaugurated. Thank you and have great days ahead.